Okay, so just come in, needs servicing, needs valeting. So it's a little Yaris hybrid. Okay, so 2014, it gives you a 1.5 petrol car. Okay, with the hybrid facilities. The Isofix on the outside, 2 seats. So it is dirty, it does need cleaning. But in the what's it called, impulse red. Okay, so we get it all cleaned up. Electric windows, nice alloy wheels, front forks. So it's a hybrid, not plug-in, self-charging. So let me show you what we've got. So the key's in the car. So I literally just push the power button. Just turn the music down. Okay, so there we go. So this is technically the engine's running. Okay, technically the engine's running because it says ready. So with their climates and everything. So if I just put it into reverse, the camera will come up. There's the show in the rear camera. Okay, and it's ready. If I take my foot off the brake now, she would reverse. Okay, or I can put it in gear. So let's have a quick look. Mileage 67,297. Okay, telephone answering's here on the steering wheel. Below that we've got cruise control. So against the wall there, you've got your power button. That's right, I'll just touch the accelerator. You've got your power button to start it, and your electric mirrors. Okay, door mirrors are electric. There we go. They also fold in. You've got window lock there. This is on the driver's door. You've got your window lock, your central locking, and your front and rear electric windows. On one stalk you've got your wipers front and rear, and your speed control for your intermittent. And the other stalk you've got your lights, your indicators, your fog lights, and the automatic lights as well, C auto. This side of the steering wheel, so you've got telephone answering one side of the steering wheel, the other side of the steering wheel you've got your volume control, and also your skip buttons, so you can skip through channels. So let's go to the radio. The media. So if I push the car button, that will show you where the power's coming at the moment. Okay, so the power's coming to the engine to recharge the battery and drive the car. This is the best miles per gallon it's had, 91.2 miles per gallon. Just currently sitting here at the moment, it's going to give you 50 because it's mostly on the electric. Okay, and that's all there. And then your telephone, there's no phones connected at the moment. Would you like to connect the phone, we'll put no, and that's all there. And then your music, so your music you can play, if I go to this one, which is the source, you've got AM, FM, DAB and Bluetooth, and then you can play your iPod or a USB port. They're the different ways you can play your music. Okay, so at the moment we're on the FM. Listen to our Ken. Right, let me just turn that all off. Coming down to your heater controls, where you've got your automatic climate control. Okay, your air conditioning's here. On this one you've got your front and rear demists. Down there you've got PowerPoint, a USB port, and auxiliary port there. On your power, some cup holders, and your gear stick. So you just turn it all off. There we go. So what I'll do is, because he's in the car, he's telling me off. So what I'll do is get the car all valeted up properly and serviced, so it's ready. It's got full service history. It's a 2014 car, so it's 67,000 miles on the clock. Nice car, nice condition, nice mileage. Give us a call, book an appointment. Face coverings of course are a must at the moment with the government's legislations. Please turn up, have a look at the car. We are open, there's not a worry. We can help you out with finance if you need finance, and we will take any vehicle in part exchange. But we'll see you soon down in Windlesham. Bye for now.